Hey guys, welcome back. I am so excited. My BoxyCharm just landed on my doorstep. I was going to film something else, but I've got to unbox the BoxyCharm when it comes. It wasn't supposed to come for 2 more days, so super excited. I did just film this get ready with me chit chat video. How beautiful is that? I'm so excited. I love this look. So I did sneak a peek at it because I wanted to make sure there wasn't like an eyeshadow palette or something that I would want to try on for you guys, because then I would just film it tomorrow. But I did get the BoxyLuxe box. So it's a bigger box. This box is $49. So the BoxyLuxe is, you guys probably already know this. If you don't, it's available it comes every 3 months, but you're like subscribed to BoxyLuxe, and then you get the regular BoxyCharm box the other 2 months in between. So I do get BoxyLuxe, just $49 this time, and I will let you guys know what its value is once we're done. Okay, the first thing I want to pull out, because I do want to try it. I feel like this was one of the variations. So this time we got a survey for the BoxyLuxe. So I don't know, it was probably about a month ago. I got a survey just asking like what kinds of things I would prefer, things like that. So, all right, so the first thing we got, I've like got it ready to put on and I didn't even tell you guys what it is. It is the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in strawberry lemonade. I did want to try this out. So this values at $17. A hydrating shine and fullness to your lips, lightweight non-sticky balm, like a lemonade lip gloss, sheer gloss, long lasting, flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. All right, so you can see it looks like it's going to be a very pink shade. I had on a different color lipstick when I did the look, so. Oh my gosh, it smells like a cupcake. It really reminds me of the NYX butter glosses. Maybe a little more sticky, but I really like this. I'm always on the lookout for a good gloss because I think that there are so many of them, but I think it's hard to find a really good one. I really love the NYX butter glosses. I think I'm gonna really love this for summer. It's just a pretty like light wash of color to your lip. I like it. All right, then next we got, I don't know what this is, Clean Botanic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Oh, I was thinking chloroform. I was like, do you want to put chlorophyll on your... No, chlorophyll is from the plants. Let's see what it says about it. Clean Botanic. I have never heard of that brand before. Oh, it's Dr. Brandt. $35 value. Prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that's hydrated and never stripped. I wonder if you could use this as a cleansing balm. Here's what it looks like. I don't know if I showed you guys that. Because if it melts away makeup, that would be really nice to use as a cleansing balm, because I have 500 cleansers from boxes. Feels like there's always a cleanser in a box and you cannot use them that fast. All right, next, I said that was $35, right? Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Here's this. I don't know if this is something I would use or not. Styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's light as air. UV protection. Oh. Well, maybe you could use this. So you spray it onto, it's a volume spray. You spray it onto your roots and ends and then tussle to boost a volume. I don't really know that I need something like this. I'll give it a try and see what I think of it, but I don't know. It's not something I would go out and purchase by itself. All right, then Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Truffle Therapy. Here, is that even it? Yeah. Here's what it looks like. The Living Proof is a $29 value. Glow-inducing tonic inspired by, enriched with antioxidants, soothing, rebalancing pH, tightening pores, and setting makeup. Well, let's try this. It almost smells like medicinal. Can be used to set makeup as well as throughout the day. I would probably only use it to refresh skin, but it just doesn't have like a very refreshing scent to it, so I'm not sure about that. Radiant, how much was that? $35 value. All right, next we got a PTY Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. Oh my gosh. Do you see this color? I'm obsessed with coral. This is so fun. Did everybody get the same color or did people get different colors? This is amazing. Okay, this is an $85 value. It comes with, let's see, it comes with this attachment. Decrease drying time and reduce frizz, lock in moisture, revamp your hairstyle after going to the gym, your new travel companion. Fun! So fun. I mean, who doesn't need a small little hairdryer like this? What was the one? Oh, was this I think a hairdryer was an option in FabFitFun, so I'm glad I did not pick that option. Next one is Dr. Brand. No, we did that one. Touch in Soul. No problem. Prime Essence. Okay, so we got the Touch in Soul primer. It's supposed to tighten your pores while keeping silky smooth skin. What is the difference in these? I guess this is kind of like a skincare as well as a primer. Let's see what it... Oh, okay. So here it's like a... I don't know if you guys... It's like a... Oh, okay. So that... It doesn't really... If anything, it has a bit of a fresh scent, but not really any scent to it. So this is a skincare product. It says let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul. So I guess it's both a skincare product and a primer. I'm gonna have to try that to see what that's like. Okay, what's next? We've got 3 more products. The first one is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. Ooh, I love a serum. And I'm always in need of a new one because I go through them so fast. So let's take a look. This one is a $58 value. Made exclusively for BoxyCharm. So I guess you can only get this through BoxyCharm. And I do like the brand Pharmacy. Let's see how it smells. Oh, I used too much. Can I get it back in the jar? Not kidding. It does not really have a smell. So it's just a smooth, well, that'll be nice. 1 ounce. 2 more products left. Okay, usually when we get Tristique, I'm like, okay, I've had enough of Tristique. But this is the Good Vibes Mascara. It is a $25 value, and I've got to show you this. I'm not going to put it on because I already put mascara on. How does it work? This is a, look at this. It's a lash curler with your mascara. Hello. That is so cool. And then I don't want to open the mascara up yet because I don't want to start it drying out, but I'm so excited about that. That is a $25 value. I think I said that. And then we got, oh, 1 more product, right? Tarte. Tarte's Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3. I feel like we could choose between, like with that survey we did, we could choose a face palette or an eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadow palette was another neutral Tarte eyeshadow palette that I did not need. This is a $45 value. It's got 6 shades. So it's got a mirror on each side. And then these are the shades that are in there. So that is really nice. Really nice. 2 highlighters, a matte bronzer, a shimmery bronzer, and then 2, looks like matte blushes are in there. And it looks like kind of a pinky highlighter and a goldish highlighter. I'm excited about that. I'm not big on face palettes, but I'm kind of excited to try that, you know? All right, actually, I just used this in my Get Ready To Me. I just opened it up for the first time, the Park Avenue Princess one. I used like the littlest bit of this one. So what I may end up doing is putting this in a giveaway since it's been barely touched, and keeping that one instead. What do you guys think about that? How do you feel about that product being in the giveaway? I'm going to add everything up and be back to tell you the value of that. Okay guys, that was a $352 box, but I always like to go through my boxes to see if they would be like worth it for what I would actually purchase. So, there's not a lot in here that I would actually purchase, actually. So I always am purchasing serum. So 1 ounce serum, I would probably spend $25 to $30. So we'll go ahead and say 30. I would not purchase that. I wouldn't purchase a little mini hair dryer. I wouldn't purchase this refreshing mist. If this can be used as a balm, how many ounces is this? For 3 ounces, I would give that $20. And if this is a type of Essence skincare product, I would give it $10. I would not purchase any of the other stuff. This stuff is all on my no-buy list because I am overwhelmed with bronzers, blushes, and highlighters, so I wouldn't need that. Mascaras are on my no-buy list as well because I have so many of those. And yeah, I just wouldn't need those other ones. So in terms of, is this box worth it? Oh, a lip gloss? Yeah, I would spend like, I would spend $10 on a good lip gloss, I guess. So we're looking at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70. This box is worth it to me. Of these products, I would purchase products, replacements for my own things, and spend about $65, $70. So a $50 value for all of it is worth it. Plus I have all those other products to try that I would not have otherwise. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this BoxyCharm unboxing. I think it went pretty quick. Don't forget to enter that giveaway before you leave, and I want to know what you guys got in yours. Did you take the survey and get different variations of things? And I want to know what color hairdryer you got as well. Oh, I also want to know, so you haven't seen the video. So I got that in my FabFitFun, and I just have wake up and makeup on it. Well, give me some ideas. What do you want to see on that board back there? Because I will put what you guys want to, providing it is appropriate. Please do subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.